guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video po ay makikiusap pa tayo sa yung sinasabi nilang may apat na words na pwede mong i-describe. Ayun po, yung describe ko po ngayon is yung una supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, sa flirting, yung pang-apat. Bali yung gamitin kong words is wow, amazing. Number one, supportive, in a way na sasabihin ko amazing. Wow, amazing. Number two, disappointed. Wow, amazing. Tapos number three, sarcastic. Wow, amazing. Parang ganon. Tapos flirty. Wow, amazing. Ganon. Yan lang po yung apat na words. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe po. Bye-bye.